I am Dr. K.A.Abubaker, Chairman, Baker Academy for Science and Engineering. Baker Academy for Science and Engineering is an employment enhancement training center for civil engineers, and we have been in this field for the last 11 years. As I am a person who is involved in employment enhancement, many students and passed out engineers asking me questions regarding their employment. And this year also, after the exams are over, many students ask me certain questions. The questions are mostly like this: what we should do, sir, after getting B.Tech, what we should do to get a better job? Is there any training required? If so, what type of training is better for us? I want to go outside India. What side of any special training is required for us? These are the types of questions asked by most of the engineers. So I thought it will be proper for me to share this through this video. You know, in engineering college, you are studying many subjects, like 46 subjects you are studying in Kerala Technological University. So all these 46 are good for engineering, but to get a job, the main subjects to be known as quantity surveying, structural design, construction management, QA/QC, highway engineering, and an emerging branch is the environmental engineering. So without the first three, quantity surveying, structural design, and construction management, no development work in anywhere in the world can be carried out. So that is very important that we should know that these subjects are the most important subjects, and that's why everywhere the civil engineers are in demand. That's why this branch itself is called the evergreen branch. So to get a job, what should be done? That is a question asked to me. To get a better job, what should be done? To get a better job, you have to, there are 3 steps for that. One is preparation of a good CV or a resume, then attending the interview, then doing the job. For preparing the CV, it should be professional way. Everybody should know how to prepare a resume or a CV in a better way. Only on the basis of a better CV, you will be called for an interview. So if your CV is not good, that does not contain the things required by the employer, you will never be called for an interview. So once you have been called for an interview, you have to be interviewed by a person or persons, and they will be asking you mainly the fundamentals and the basic things. They will not ask you to design a multi-story building in the interview. Maybe asking the fundamentals. If you know the fundamentals, definitely you can develop. So I have attended many interviews, I have been part of many interviews, and I have seen that many of our younger youth are not opening their mouths when the small, simple questions are asked. So you have to get prepared for the interviews. Knowing this, I have collected a lot of interview questions from many interviewers and those who have gone for interview, and I have found out the answers and prepared PPTs for that. And I am sharing those with my students who are studying with me. And many told me that those questions and answers are very much helpful for them. So once you are getting selected, probably you will be putting for probation for a period of 4 months to 1 year. That depends upon the industry. So in that period, you will be given a real work, a quantity survey work, a procurement work, or a structural design work, or a detailing work, or something like that. Depends upon the industry's needs. So if you don't do it properly, there is no chance that you can continue. You have to do it in time. You have to do it properly. Unless you do it, there is no chance to continue. So the then where to go for training? That's the next question, is where to go for training. There are so many training institutions now everywhere, in every village also training institutions are there. But I advise you to select a training institute where consultancy is there. If you go to a institution where there consultancy is there, you will get a chance to involve in the live project. The real-time structures you can design. You can do quantity survey in a real-time structure. So you will get more knowledge. You will get chance to go to the sites also and study from there also. So that type of institutions you have to select for your training. Then about I have already mentioned the most important subject, and these subjects you have to train at least 1 or 2 subjects. You have to train yourself. You can train yourself, or you can get training from outside. So you select a good training institute and get skilled. I am sure that you will get better employment. Employment scopes are there. Only that you have to be industry ready. You have to be practically prudent. Then only you will get a better job. To make the engineers practically prudent and industry ready, I have 2 programs that is free. Actually, to my students, upgradation of knowledge, we have got a Zoom section on all Saturdays at 8 p.m. And now recently we have started a discussion forum in Clubhouse also, that is on Sundays at it will start at 2 p.m. and end at 4 p.m. Only limited period. Very informative things are being discussed. Your doubts can be cleared, and both these sessions are free for my people. Of course, Clubhouse is free for everybody. The Zoom section, nominal fee is charged for outsiders. So once you skill yourself, I am sure that all of you get good job. I wish everybody good success and good jobs in the near future. Thank you.